Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump right in. The first thing I do is take my LA Girl concealer in the color Porcelain and I put that on my lid, and I go in with my e.l.f. concealer brush to blend it out in tapping motions. But then I also use my finger in the same tapping motions, just as an extra step, not really any real reason. And now I'm going to take the yellow in my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and place that above my crease. Now I'm going to take this orange from my AliExpress palette and put it right on top of the yellow. I'm putting it in the same exact place above my crease. And next I'm going to go in with my second AliExpress palette and take that brown and put this one in my crease. As you guys know, I have hooded lids, so I have to put it a little bit above where my crease actually is so that the color can show. And I want you guys to pay attention to the kind of lids you have so that, you know, your makeup can actually match. Next, I'm taking that yellow and putting it above the orange, like all the way up top. And next, I'm gonna do this brown. I forgot to show that I sprayed the brush with my setting spray before putting on there. That's what created the smoky effect, so don't forget to do that. And now I am gonna prime my face with my LA Girl primer. This is the pore filler one, I believe. In this black opal foundation in the color Carob. I love this foundation. I've actually I bought a new one, but I used to use it a long time ago. But now I have a new one and I love it. And of course I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer, the Makeup Revolution one in color C16. I have fallen in love with this concealer so much that my other concealer is in a back burner. I don't even touch it anymore. Next, I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the color Mahogany. This actually was my first time trying it, and I still don't know how I feel about it yet. I don't know. It was really cool toned, more than I thought it was going to be. But that is what I'm using for this video, and I'm gonna blend everything out, my concealer and my contour with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Deep to set my makeup. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do not bake. I just like to set my makeup. So, you know, I don't sweat and I don't feel like it's going anywhere. Okay guys, we're down to our final steps. I'm going to add that brown under my eye and that orange just to complement what's already on my lid. And I also add a shimmer in my tear duct just to, you know, spice things up a little. I also am going to be wearing my AliExpress lashes as usual. The link will be in the description box. And I spray my face, make sure nothing's moving. And finally, I highlight kind of everywhere, which I usually don't highlight at all, but I just felt like this look deserved it. When I highlight my cheeks, it's a little too bright for me, so you're gonna see me going with my beauty blender just to tone it down some. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I will see you next week.